here in Death Valley, and Jules. We got Jules too. And we're doing Charon Canyon today. It's my first time ever. It's most of our first time ever canyoneering, except for our fearless leader over there.
Hello.
Gregory Kommel. That's why he's carrying the big bag. We just got to get to the top first, and then, yeah, then we're gonna do the thing.
Take a gander. How much elevation do you think we've gained? Somewhere between 1,000 and 1,800 feet. Okay. So like 1,650. I'll split the middle. 967. Dang.
Like my form.
All right, Greg, so we just got to the top. What was our time?
2:25.
2 hours, 25 minutes. What was the elevation gain for that?
3,200 feet.
I'm so excited.
That makes one of us.
This is the fun part. Yeah, this is like...
I still don't trust you guys when you say easy or fun.
Give you a reference of how far we are from that mountaintop right there. You can actually see some people on it. Yeah, right there. Oh, what are they doing over there?
What do you mean?
Wait, don't move, Ryan. We need a picture of this.
So what are you doing right now, Ryan?
6, measuring out 40 feet for our first rappel. 8, 9, 10. One for good luck. Maybe one more.
Rope! So this is a Charon anchor. It's literally just stacks of rocks. So like right there, a quick test. All right. Yeah, I know, I saw that. This has to go back. All right. God, that's such a scary anchor. So while I'm waiting for everyone to finish this rappel right back here, why don't you yourself rappel down to the bottom of the screen, hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more of our adventures. We're gonna post here pretty often. And here comes Greg. Hi, Greg. Hi. Nice work. Nailed it. Whoop. Nice catch. Not quite at the end, but nice catch.
That was vision.
I got hit in the face with it once and left a mark across my forehead.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, they're juicy. Look at the hoof.
Oh yeah, it's a little hoof. Pick it up. I dare you.
I'm wearing gloves, so I would,
But you don't want to.
Yeah.
The stuff you find in the desert. It's not called Death Valley for no reason. Why is that one coming down? That is what we in the industry like to call not cool.
Good.
All right, I'm good. I need to lean back enough so that this guy takes some load. Let's get that guy back up there. All right, we're bad at matters.
We're out of this banana hammock.
Ugh, there's too much friction again. Yeah, we're on rappel number 5. Yeah, all right. Jules is setting up the rappel.
We want to rappel on the top side.
And we are going down there.
Yeah, and then the highest
And
top or not.
we got a nice view of the salty canyons way down there. Bye. More carnage. There's a dead bird. It smells pretty bad. Oh, it smells really bad actually. This one looks really terrifying. Look at the rope's just like buried in there. I don't even know what's going on. And there's this little pile of rocks. Hey, this is my hand for reference. They're not that big. So here's what happened. On the second to last rappel, we're pulling the rope through the anchor up there. And it was too late when we realized, because of all the little coils in the rope, that there was a knot forming in it, and it formed at the top. And we said, oh, well, let's just try to pull it through and see what happens. And it got stuck.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Yeah, well, anyway, our fearless leader, Greg, is now ascending the rope up this like 45-foot rappel we just did, but the rope is stuck. So
On an ATC.
yeah, he's doing it on an ATC, and the rope is stuck, so it's really sketchy. And yeah, bless his soul for doing that for us. Final rappel.
Last one.
There is the exit. There's that beautiful salt.
A beautiful salt lake.
All right, let's throw this rope. You can throw it, yeah. Gotta yell rope first.
Rope coming down.
What did you say? Woo! We're out. We're out. We did it. Woo!
Sick.
Not too bad. Not too bad. So we are back in the car. Total time to the very top of these mountains and then down the canyon back over there was 9 hours and 19 minutes. Not too bad. We still have daylight. We didn't need headlamps. And it was an amazing day. Yeah, right there.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, nice. Get closer, Ryan. Ryan, you're the only one out there. Just
I'm just going.